Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Deepakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and other craft items. So in this video we will going to tell you how you can make DIY designer earring which is perfect for both formal and traditional occasion, and the best part about it that you can gift it to your mother as well on this coming Mother's Day. To know more how to make it, keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you